Hi, I'm Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and today I want to talk to you about what do I need to know about getting my home ready to sell this fall season. The first thing that I would recommend that you do is just analyze the market as a whole. Is it the right time to sell your home? And the reason why I say that is we're coming into the fall selling season, and it can be completely different than the spring selling season. Prices may have adjusted, days on market may have adjusted as well. So we want to take a look at the market as a whole and just decide if it is the right time to put your house on the market. If you do decide to put your home on the market this fall, I do recommend you do some inspections, some maintenance around your home. One thing that is beneficial for you is to get your HVAC service. We've ran our air conditioner all summer long, and now we're going to be turning on our heat. And we want to make sure that our unit is properly serviced and our heat is working when we need it to. You'll also want to get your chimney inspected, especially if you've got a wood-burning fireplace. We want to make sure that it's properly cleaned, it's ready to go for our new homeowner. Now that we're into the fall season, a lot of homeowners, we like to decorate for the holidays. So we want to make sure that we do a little bit of decorating for the fall because we want that buyer to envision their decorations in the house. However, we don't want to go overboard. What I mean by that is we've got Halloween coming up, so we don't want a lot of scary type decorations or even some motion activated decorations that could go off when our home is being shown and maybe frighten somebody. So keep those fall decorations at a minimum. Another thing that is highly recommended by me is take a look at the exterior and clean it up. What I mean by that is rake up those leaves. We want to make sure those sidewalks are clear. We don't want anybody slipping and falling on leaves or maybe loose sticks. Again, you might want to clean up those flower beds, pull some weeds, plant some fresh flowers, put down some mulch. Also, we want to make sure your bushes are trimmed up nice and neat so we can walk down the sidewalk, we can see the exterior of the house. We don't want anything overgrown. Highly recommend that. That's kind of a pet peeve of mine. The last thing that I recommend is if you do put your home on the market this fall is whenever you have a showing and you're getting ready to leave the house, go ahead and turn on all of the lights. Because in the fall we know that the daylight hours are a little bit less, so a potential buyer is going to be coming to your house and it could be dark. So we want to make sure that they're able to see all the rooms. A lot of times the rooms are going to look larger with all of the lights on, so go ahead and turn on all the lights before you leave the house. Again, my name is Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and thank you so much for watching this video.